Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the document open and the box visible. Begin by selecting it. Click directly on the box border until resize handles appear. That confirms object selection. Once done, if the border is hard to grab, open the selection pane and pick the object by name. This saves time. Make sure it's not inside the header or footer because edits there behave differently. Now that the box is selected, you're ready to remove formatting or delete the object entirely. With the shape selected, right-click and choose Format Shape so you can control both fill and line properties. In the panel, set Fill to No Fill to remove any background color, then set Line to No Line to remove borders. This makes the box disappear visually, while keeping any contained text. If you prefer removing the object, select it and press Delete. The text may move into the document flow or be deleted, so check Content. Make sure to save changes when satisfied. Finish by verifying the surrounding layout. Make sure text reflows correctly after removing or hiding the box. If content vanished, remember the text might have been inside the boxed object. Undo, copy the text out, then delete the box. Once done, use the selection pane to reveal hidden objects or ungroup them if they're nested. If the object resists, cut it and paste the text into Notepad or Word as plain text to recover formatting. Tip: if things go wrong, press Ctrl+Z immediately to revert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.